Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Abbas from MH Language Solutions. This video is about IELTS Academic Writing Task 2. One of the major stumbling blocks that students often encounter when it comes to IELTS Academic Writing Task 2 is they are not able to extend their ideas. They keep their paragraphs undeveloped, and as a result of it, they are not able to get a good band score in IELTS Academic Writing Task 2. A badly developed paragraph is like a broken bridge. Examiners they are not able to follow your train of thought and you cannot get a good band score in this case. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you a super easy technique that you can follow, and as a result of it, you'll be able to get a very good band score when it comes to your IELTS writing task 2. So let's begin. The technique I'm going to share with you is known as ICGR. Here I stands for idea, C is for clarification, G is for giving example, and R shows the result. What we actually do is, first of all, we present our idea, then it is supported by clarifying the idea, later comes example, and at the end we add result. Result is added because we want to connect the whole idea with the question that was actually asked, and as a result of it you get a fully developed ICGR paragraph. Still confused? No problem. I'm going to share with you two different paragraphs. The first paragraph is going to be an ordinary paragraph, whereas the second paragraph will be an ICGR paragraph. As a result of it, you will be able to compare both these paragraphs. You can analyze the references and you will be able to produce your own ICGR paragraph. But first, have a look at this question. Now, moving on toward this ordinary first paragraph, it has certain problems. First of all, topic sentence is not very clear because it talks about importance of the public transport, but it doesn't tell why. There is repetition in this paragraph. Moreover, there is no example, and result is also lacking. This is not a coherent paragraph, and train of thought is not clear. As a result of it, you won't be able to get a good band score if you write this kind of paragraph. This paragraph in front of you now is an ICGR paragraph. It starts with a new idea that is very clear, which is further elaborated by explanation. Then a clear example is added, and later on results are also presented, making this paragraph a fully coherent and appropriate paragraph if you want to get a perfect score in your IELTS writing task 2. Dear fellows, in this today's video, I have tried to explain the difference between an ICGR paragraph and a common paragraph. You have seen that how an ICGR paragraph is way better than any other kind of paragraph that you construct in your IELTS academic writing task 2. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.